May coffee shop kaming na-discover sa Balibago, Angeles City na magbabago ng tingin ninyo sa local dining scene sa Pampanga. So naghanap nga kami ni Joyce ng quiet place para mag-coffee. Nakapunta kami sa Coffee Lab and Lounge, especially sa library room nila. Intimate space and perfect for conversations. Pero when we saw their menu, ibang level na. Hindi typical coffee shop menu. They served us miso glazed salmon na parang galing sa fine dining restaurant. Perfectly flaky and bursting with umami. Then came the star, ang Wagyu rib eye. This is a legit A5 Japanese beef served with 3 condiments, Himalayan rock salt, yakiniku sauce, at ang authentic wasabi na sobrang rare mahanap. Every bite was a flavor explosion. At para mabalance yung riches ng mga main dishes, we had their Chinese chicken salad, tangy, slightly sweet, with super crisp vegetables na nag-cleanse ng palate. Their Love Shack burger, inspired by Shake Shack but elevated. Although Shake Shack was voted as one of the best burgers in the Philippines, honestly, this burger is going to contest that. Ito nga pala yung chicken mushroom alfredo, one of their best sellers. Actually, this one was incredibly creamy and rich. You can taste why it's everyone's favorite. And then finally, we ended with their American-style banana split, featuring premium ice cream in 3 flavors, strawberry, chocolate, and vanilla. It's the perfect sweet ending to a sudden discovery. Mga kabalen, if you want fine dining quality food in a relaxed coffee shop setting, the Coffee Lab and Lounge is your spot. Trust us on this one.